So, new hair. I didn't go to the people that braided my hair originally. But I got new hair. Ooh. Got hot and spicy and fries. Put this ketchup right here. Told them to add cheese. Okay. They listen for once. Y'all know McDonald's just give y'all whatever they feel like giving y'all. Fries pretty good. I got 2 McChicken. Like I said, yay for them adding cheese, because you know, McDonald's do what they want to do. And my husband got McDoubles and McTops. Tea not that sweet. I love it. Usually, McDonald's don't play by adding pounds of sugar. Jay hit the spot. Love you guys.